Here we have Walbro carburetor from Husqvarna 44 chainsaw, and as it might happen, there was quite stiff diaphragms, so the ideal RPM wasn't stable, it was erratic. And what I did, I put basically all the gaskets and all the diaphragm here, and here we have the brake fluid DOT4. So I'm going to take it out and I'm going to assemble them. Right. And it's a common problem on these carburetors. So you have these diaphragms that are a little bit stiff, or they have some kind of changed. Yeah, you can see here. It became much softer, but before it looked like different from what it should be. And the gasket, right. Right, we start from the top. So you can see it became much better, much better. I'm going to put it here, the cover. So you have to remember that this part goes on top of this small lever or handle. Right. I mean, the carburetors are quite sensitive, and normally what can happen is either diaphragm or they have this nose inside that gets blocked, or it's something is not clear, like the fuel was dirt and then everything went into the carburetor, or the fuel was old and then it resulted in these sediments in the carburetor inside. They're quite cheap, 10-15 bucks, but of course you can try to fix it. So now the bottom part, right, so here you can see it looks really nice and much better than before. You can see that the valves are not diverted from the normal shape. So I'm going to install it. So first you put this diaphragm, then you need to put the gasket. And then the cover. You can actually assemble it first. Right. You have to be careful to remember the order in which you're assembling these parts of the carburetor. So everything is tight and nice. Yes, that was Walbro carburetor. Of course, it's a temporary solution, so I'm not sure how long these diaphragms will last, but as soon as you're not using intensively, and as soon as you change the fuel and keep it serviced, it probably will run for some time.